Hi everyone, this is Appliance Fix Lab, your local appliance repair team here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. As always, technician Yevhen is on site. Do you have a cracked or broken ceramic glass cooktop? Today we are replacing the glass on an Electrolux electric stove. We received a service call in Osborne Village, Winnipeg for an Electrolux electric stove model EW30IS6CJSC with a shattered glass surface. Quick safety note. Broken glass and electricity are no joke. Please always be careful. To replace the glass, I carefully pulled the stove out from the cabinet and unplugged it. Then I partially disassembled the protective housing and removed the damaged glass. Next, I installed the new glass, reassembled all housing components, connect power, slid the unit back into place, and tested the stove. Success! The broken Electrolux cooktop glass has been replaced and the stove is back to normal and fully functional. Fast, safe and simple. Appliance Fix Lab. Real cases, real diagnostics, real repairs, right here in Winnipeg.